Using testimonials to build trust. Let me ask you a question. Who do you trust more about what movie to watch? A commercial on TV, or a recommendation from a friend who's seen it? The friend wins every time. Because it isn't an ad or marketing message. It's a testimonial for the film given by someone who doesn't have a vested interest in selling more tickets. That builds trust and makes you more likely to go see it. It also illustrates why testimonials are so important and powerful when it comes to your business. How do you get testimonials? The first question is how to get testimonials. You have two options here. You can wait for them to come in, or you can ask for them. I recommend you take the more proactive approach and ask your customer base for them. If they love what you do, they'll be happy to share. What should you include in a good testimonial? When you ask for testimonials or get in touch with a customer to ask if you can share what they told you in email or on social media as a testimonial, ask if you can use their name. Depending on your niche and audience, you may want to use the full name. This is particularly important if you are in a biz-to-biz niche and the person is someone your other customers will recognize. Otherwise, a first name and last initial will suffice. Adding a location is a nice touch and makes the testimonial look more credible. The cherry on the cake is a picture of the person. It builds trust. Ask for it, but use the testimonial with or without the image. Where and how can you use testimonials to build trust? So where do you use these testimonials? Everywhere you can. Your homepage and your About page are great places to start. Anything specific to your products and services should go on the sales page. You can easily add them to the bottom of your sales page. It can make a big difference in convincing people who are on the fence about purchasing to click the buy button. Social media testimonials are a great way to drive traffic and mention your product without seeming too pushy. Share a few per week and rotate through them, sharing them again and again. Ready to give it a try? You probably already have some testimonials that you can use. Look through your emails and comments on social media. Ask permission to use the email or comment in your marketing. If it's something like a Facebook comment, take a screenshot. For an email testimonial, ask if you can use the person's name and a location like a town name or state, for example. Ask for a picture to use with the testimonial, but don't be afraid to use it without. From there, get into the habit of asking for testimonials and keeping an eye out for unsolicited ones, and use them anywhere and everywhere you can. It'll go a long way toward building trust and social proof with your target audience. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe.